Hi everyone, Joe here for Jaspy's on Fanatics Live with another helmet break. I forgot to copy and paste that 2 right there. Pick your team number 5. Thanks everybody for getting in. I did not hear that, Big O. You know more than I do. I don't think that's true though. I didn't see any in the back. All right. Let's pop this case open. Let's see what we got here. All right, helmets.
All these streaming apps are included at no extra cost, so you can watch anything.
All right. Pop this open. Let's take out the helmet. I like that they're in drawstring pouches now. Let's look at the bottom here. All right, I see it. Let me give you, let's play a little trivia. A little Who Am I?
Get it all. Spectrum TV.
At Citizen, we've been family owned for 3 generations, which is why our goal is to treat every customer like family. And every employee.
All right, I am I guess I'm a retired quarterback. Played for 2 teams my entire career. Was a former first round top 5 pick. Once a comeback player of the year, a Pro Bowler, a one-time passing yards leader, passing touchdowns co-leader, a passer rating leader, NFL completion percentage leader. Went to North Carolina State. Ended up with 425 touchdowns and 212 interceptions. Almost 64,000 passing yards. The NC State should give it away. Yeah, Austin's got it. Don Quixote got it first, I think, then Austin. Nice. Yeah, it's Phillip Rivers. Kind of retired, I guess. Was retired for a little while, then made a couple starts for the Colts. There you go, Chargers edition. Oh, you got an inscription too. Nice, bolt up. That is nice. Nice, you can kind of see the metallic undertone underneath. Makes it look really nice. Who's got the Chargers? That will be BU Hockey. There he is. Congrats. Phillip Rivers. Socks tumbling off the table. Do not have enough desk space for these helmet breaks.
There's a reputation that he would run a lot. He hadn't even attempted a steal this year. It's been a pretty one-dimensional game. Great bet to but not a whole lot beyond that. Otani talking over to the Giants dugout. Not sure exactly what that is.
Actually, leave this right here.
Here's 2-1. Lead takes straight 2. Old teammate of Hassan Kim. Heroes in Korea. They got drafted together. 7 seasons together. Good
Chargers, all right. Now, next box.
John a lot during his transition here. Swings through baseball. There was up to 100. Each of the first 4 outs have been strikeouts. This is just about you. Apples in the glove.
Try to make myself a little extra room here.
It's a scenario. Come on, Will. Give me something. He said, all right, it's refined. The command is just much more refined. 1, 2.
Cards on the inside, the bottom of the box now. They glued it to the bottom.
Rehab is not only physical, it's mental, especially the subconscious.
Off the end of the bat, rolling to short. Kim's up with it.
All right. We have an active linebacker from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 6'5", 250. Went to Florida State and a first-round pick. Played for 2 teams my entire career. Second team All-Pro, 3-time Pro Bowler. First team All-ACC. Went to Florida State. I have 384 total tackles, 71 sacks, 13 forced fumbles, 3 fumble recoveries, 28 pass deflections, and a defensive touchdown.
2 up, 2 down in the second, and here's the center fielder, Drew Gilbert.
Ran a 4.540.
K's yesterday. Fastball to the edge, 100 in.
No clue?
It's interesting.
Yeah, the defense players are a little bit harder trivia-wise.
Sat there with ease in this game.
Let's see what team. I think was originally played for the Panthers and is now with this team right here. The G-Men. Big Blue. That's a nice helmet. There you go. Yep, McLaughlin's got it. Brian Burns. It's a nice helmet right there. It's pretty sweet. And then they have all the authentication stickers on the back. Who has the New York Football Giants? That's going to be accepted. Violet Frog. There you go, Frog. Yeah. I'll try to pull out a little bit right there. There you go. We got our studio lights kind of reflect off the helmet a little bit, but all right. Nice. And the drawstring bags make it so much easier. Thanks, Fanatics. Just mark this with the team. NYG. All right, 2 more to go. All right. You know, I am not too familiar with the secondary market for these full-size helmets. Yeah, and Shook1 is saying he's surprised at how low the jersey sale prices are. Yeah, I think just like trading cards, I think it's going to be player dependent, of course. All right, next helmet. Oh. What edition is this player? I think these are pretty current, right?
First time that's been the case in 5 years. They've been hit on the shoulder a couple games before.
No gold label on the top.
Still a little bit sore, so Dave Roberts said it made sense for him to have that head off from hitting. But he said, hey, if you're going to take your best hitter out of the lineup, you gotta
All right, we have an active quarterback.
He's talking about it today.
6'5", 230.
Open to the idea of
Former first-round pick. Has played for 3 teams my entire career. Thus far, I've passed for 17,683 yards, 89 touchdowns to 55 interceptions, 2,343 rushing yards, and 20 rushing touchdowns. And this is going to give it away. I went to college at Duke. Not Fields, not Mahomes, but yes, Austin, Katz, everyone got it. Frog, Shook, Danny Dimes. That's got to be current edition, right? Yeah, it's for the Blue Horseshoes. This is 2026, so everything should be current teams. Nice. He's got some nice penmanship. Got a number inscription right there. It's kind of a cool helmet too, and a nice kind of flat white color here. Got Colts on the back. Colts badge up front. Who's got the Blue Horseshoes? That is gonna be Dilly. There you go. Nice.
You see two catchers up there?
All right, final one coming up. And then I'll go double check to see if we've got another. I think we have one more case left. Or let's let me go look for that after the final one here. Colts. All right, final box.
Giants competing on the field. Dodger fans and fans competing. The stand.
Yeah, Cubs have been playing some good baseball lately, Rex. Katz and Kelsey is the next one. If it is the next one, then we may have to stone you for being a witch. Just a warlock with X-ray vision. We'd have to strap rocks to your chest and throw you in a lake. See if you float. All right, we have another linebacker. Active linebacker, currently pretty young, 22 years old, from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 6'4", 252. Went to one college, we have to start saying that now, went to one college in his entire career, and was a former 3rd overall pick. Still with my team, was a PFWA All-Rookie team, a unanimous All-American, a Big Ten Defensive Player of the Year. 2-time first team All-Big Ten, second team All-Big Ten. Career 43 tackles, 4 sacks, 2 forced fumbles, 2 fumble recoveries. He'll be going into his second year.
Get $20 entry credit, no deposit needed.
And not Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes wishes he has 4 sacks. Yep, Shook's got it. It is Abdul Carter. That's another Giant. Double Giants in here. Sometimes that's how it goes. Oh, nice. You got a inscription there? That Darth Vader? Is that what he's saying?
Spectrum Business delivers commitment with every connection across the
Yeah.
country. So
Is that his nickname?
we're in Albany, making sure the internet doesn't flinch with invincible Wi-Fi.
All right.
And in Dallas,
So there you go, Frog.
AI infrastructure that keeps
A nickname he gave himself. Okay. Is that a nickname if you give it to yourself?
we turn service service.
All right, cool helmet though. Really nice stuff. There you go, gang. Nice helmet right here. We'll check to see if there's more, so keep an eye on the Fanatics live shop. I'm Joe, and I'll see everybody next time for the next one. Bye.